My name is Aman Rishu. I'm an entrepreneur by profession. I have been building next generation voting system for last 3 years. We call it Ballot Now. We call it Ballot Now IVS, Ballot Now Internet Voting System. We started working on this as a project to overcome the challenges for temporary migrants. As you said, as you mentioned that some of the Biharis local who have not been working, they do not get the chance to vote. So I am one of them actually. I came Delhi for the better education. In that, I lost my right to vote somehow. It was a challenge for me. So I have had a pleasure to discuss this whole idea. It was in a raw stage with Krishna sir in 2019 in IYC office. So I had a pleasure to discuss with him. He gave us a few insights about it. And right now we are very much ready with our voting system. We are about to launch. We are willing to launch. We are looking for some kind of project to test our voting system. And about the hacking part, which other person which mentioned, we have covered all the aspect of the voting system which can be taken by a hacker. We have been using very high level securities. So we can guarantee that 99% it is secure, 1% nothing is secure. We have been trusting on technology to take us to on moon. So we can trust the technology to cast our vote. We really want to get some kind of help with the government or with any parties, political parties who are allowed, who are eligible to work with us on this project.
Thank you, Aman. Well, I am excited to hear you develop this, but in my world, unfortunately, the policy has to come before the technology. In other words, until we know what the government is prepared to permit by law, how will you conduct an experiment with your system? And you could do it in a place which is not part of the constitutional machinery, say conducting a college election right now, or many of the campuses are closed, students are home. You might go to a couple of colleges and say, listen, how are conducting your students' union elections online to test my system? And that's maybe 10,000 students, whatever the number is, who are able to vote from home. And then publicize that event, publicize the vote, publicize the way it worked, publicize, and you can even issue a challenge to hackers saying, try and hack this if you like. And then you have an online election. I mean, I was a student union president myself in my college. So I know that these elections really are exciting and matter to students. Maybe that's one way that you can actually get your idea up there, is to have, as a pilot project, a student union election in a college campus with the consent of that college or that president. That might be something you could do. But I'm afraid at the serious national representative level, until the law permits it, you can't just go and conduct an experiment with using real electoral rolls. That's why I think a student election would be a good way of experimenting. You're in Delhi, go and see the president of JNU, or go and see the president of Delhi University, I mean the chancellor, vice chancellor of Delhi University, and say, hey, how about your student union elections through Ballot Now? Might work.